Hello, this is Brian from MB Media. This tutorial is about the file manager in Wiz CMS. Now, sometimes web clients need the ability to upload files, manage them, rename them, etc. Say they have a folder on the site where they're going to direct people to download some PDFs that they put up or something like that. They need the ability to have some basic file managing. So that's the idea behind the file manager here. And it's pretty easy to implement. All you got to do is first figure out where you want them to, what folder you want them to be able to manage. So here I made a downloads folder in the root of our Cedar Gift Shop website that I've been using for all these examples. And there's a couple files in there. And to set up the file manager itself, go to your Wiz CMS download and go into the extra. And right here we have the Wiz file manager. So we're going to copy that, paste it over here. And again, wherever you put this and whatever you name it, that's where they're going to have to go in their website to use it. So here I'm going to put it in the website root and I'm going to rename it Downloads Manager, since in this case we're using it to manage a downloads folder that the fake client that I've been using for these examples is going to be using. So in our downloads manager, or our instance of the file manager, there are three things that you're going to want to edit. First is you're going to want to go into the index.php and you're going to want to change the username and password, because that's just a wise idea as opposed to leaving it demo and demo. So I'm going to use user and pass like I've been using in the past. I'm going to save. And the other two are places where you're going to need to change the path so that it knows what folder it's editing. First, I'm going to go into the scripts, and in the settings PHP, open that up. There'll be this little variable here. Now, you need to set this so that it knows what folder it's managing, and it needs to be relative from this file. So in this case, we've got this downloads folder is 2 folders up because we're in the actual downloads manager folder and the scripts folder. So up 2 levels and then downloads. So now the PHP knows what it's editing. And then, last but not least, you need to go into the file manager JS. And again, at the very top, in this case, it's going to be relative to the folder, to the manager folder, the CMS manager folder. And so it's going to go up 1 level and then to our downloads folder. And that's just to tell it, because there is a preview feature for images that are in that folder, and it needs to know how to have a path to those images so they can pull up a preview of them in the manager. Now, you could edit this text. For example, I'll change this to Downloads Manager, since that's what it's doing for us in that right now. So there's plenty of text here you can edit and customize. But other than that, these 3 things are the only things that you need to change in order to set it up. So as of right now, we should be able to go to our website /Downloads Manager, and we will log in. Oh, I typed in demo without thinking of it. User pass. And here we have our downloads manager. So in our downloads folder, we have a couple folders or a couple files right now. We have this PNG, and you can see a preview of it. We have a zip file, which obviously there is not an image, so you can't get a preview of it. You could rename that file. You could upload a new file. For example, here we'll upload this little image, and it comes up there. And you can delete a file. We'll delete this one. And you can do all these things and basically just manage a folder on your website in a very simple fashion that clients won't have too much trouble dealing with. So that's the Downloads Manager. And again, there's plenty more features left in the CMS to show you in video and teach you how to set up and show you how simple they are. So please watch the rest of the videos and learn as much as you can about the Wiz CMS.